Hi, my name is Sandeep Chittimurti, working as a telecommunication engineer in Bangalore. Recently, I bought my dream machine Snapmaker 2.0 3-in-1 printer from 3idea Technology. When it comes to the Snapmaker, it enables users' ideas turn into the reality. Snapmaker contains 3 modules. One is 3D printing module, second one is CNC module, third one is laser module.
I have been using this machine from last 3 months. Snapmaker enhanced my skill set. Being a hardcore serious hobbyist, Snapmaker helped me to achieve my dreams. When it comes to 3idea technology staff is so friendly and knowledgeable. They have best products with reasonable pricing. They have robust packaging, handling and courier services. I used to interact with Ankita ma'am for every single doubt. She is so customer friendly and having a lot of patience. Sometimes I used to interact with 3idea Technology COO, Mr. Bihu Mohapatra. He is a highly technical, knowledgeable person with customer-friendly attitude, given a lot of cost-effective solutions. Finally, I'm so satisfied with Snapmaker and 3idea Technology services. Thanks a lot, 3idea Technologies team.